So today I'm gonna show you how to check and audit your country of origin. Now, I did try the traditional way, which is to reset the filters when you bulk audit or to add a column when you bulk audit, but there is no filter or way to do this for country of origin. So we're going to go in and just do a bulk audit one by one with our listing. So it's not really bulk audit, but we're going to go into our listings and I'll show you how to do that real quick. So let me share my screen. On my active listings, we're going to edit. And for right now, you can choose how many listings you want to edit. I'm just listing all. Now, this is where it's going to show you where you have issues. And mine are set up for two things right now. They're going to trigger on country of origin, and they're also going to trigger on if you accept best offer, you can't auto accept the payment. So let's get started. So we're just going to go this, and it will tell me, oh, I don't have my country of origin set. Now, when I did this the first time, eBay, so I'm just going to go down here. It says country of origin, China. So I'm going to clear that and put United States. When I did this the first time, eBay had auto set all my country of origins, and there were several errors, and that's why I'm showing you now, because you will need to go in and check to make sure that the origin is correct. So this needs country of origin. Even if it says United States, if it's flagged and excuse me, if it's flagged as incorrect, you will have to clear it and then go back and clear it, then retype it, and then do it all over. So, because that just shows that it's not reading right. So see how this is. I'm going to clear it. And I type it, I don't search it. I just type it and it comes up. Let's see if that. And we're going to go down to this one. It says, what's this one say? Okay, country of origin. So that's how you're going to have to do it. You're going to check all your exclamation points and see how it says there's a country of origin. It's just not picking it up. So you got to type it back in there. And the reason this is important is because it does throw shipping off for international buyers and even for local buyers. I saw on mine, one of them said this exorbitant price, and that is how I knew my country of origin was wrong and that I needed to go back in and change it. Because it was throwing my shipping off. I know it's not supposed to do that for national shipping, within our country, but I'm just telling you that's what happened, and it's always good to double check. The country of origin says United States, but it's not showing United States. So sometimes that happens if eBay filled it in automatically. And so you have to go in and manually fill it because it's flagged. I think all of this makes a big difference in our accounts. You're going to edit. Clear. And I think it throws off your algorithm. If your shop doesn't have uniform country of origin, I think that affects the algorithm. Okay, so this. Now, these are all country of origin, but I wanted to show you this too. This also will come up as a blue exclamation point, which will let you know if this item sells by best offer. You'll not be able to. So what happens is it's very tedious, which is I tried to find a workaround. It's very tedious to go through every single exclamation point. If this item sells by best offer, comply with, okay, so this is a country of origin, but you see these are all best offers. And if you have a lot of best offers, it's going to be tedious for that. And I've tried to turn off best offers. Let me submit these. You will need to submit it or it won't stick. I've tried to turn off the best offers in the filter so that doesn't come up, and it did not work. So anyway, that's how you do it. And I recommend doing one, like get all your listings, go through all your listings during a whole week. And then you'll know by the date they were listed, or whatever. You can just update the recent ones like once a month or whatever, just to double check. Anyway, that's it. And I hope that helps, and stay awesome.